The Floki price has already been one of the standout performers in the market cycle, with a year-to-date YTD gain of 652%. However, crypto analyst Master Kenobi predicts that the meme coin could still surge by over 700% from its current price level. Floki price to reach $0.00023 by next year. In an X post, Master Kenobi shared an accompanying chart showing that the Floki price could reach $0.0023 by 3rd March next year. The chart also highlighted $0.0011 as a key target that the top meme coin could reach before it makes the push to $0.0023. This rally to $0.0011 could happen by 10th February. The rally to $0.0023 would mark a 700% price surge for Floki. The crypto analyst provided insights into why this price surge could happen. He stated that the Floki chart continues to follow the predicted model. Master Kenobi further remarked that he anticipates that the current symmetry will break soon, which will pave the way for rapid acceleration toward the all-time high, ATH, of $0.000346 once the altcoin season kicks into full gear. With Floki being a mid-cap altcoin, the analyst expects that there could be a slight delay in this price surge since capital will rotate to larger altcoins first. However, he is confident about the meme coin's outlook, stating that the final pump appears promising and will likely be extremely intense as it targets one of the two projected price levels. Meanwhile, the crypto analyst suggested that the Floki price might not correlate with the Bitcoin price and could enjoy a run independent of the flagship crypto's performance. He stated that Floki is one of the few charts that doesn't show a clear signal tied to Bitcoin's halving. This led him to believe the meme coin may develop its cycle price to at least reach $0.0010. Crypto analyst Bong Guy has indicated that the Floki price would at least reach $0.0010 in this market cycle. In an X post, the analyst stated that he believes Floki will trade above a $10 billion market cap at some point in this cycle. He made this prediction as the Pepe price reached a $10 billion market cap today. With Pepe hitting this milestone, Bong Guy said he is reasonably confident that the Floki will follow suit soon enough. A $10 billion market cap puts the Floki price at around $0.0010 based on its circulating supply 9.60 trillion coins.